Constipation is a common problem worldwide, specifically in children. Chronic problem persisting for many months to years. Successful treatment of constipation requires long-term use of laxatives. Commonly used laxatives in children include milk of magnesia, lactulose, mineral oil, and polyethylene glycol. There is very limited option of laxative for pediatrics, pregnant women, during post-delivery period, diabetic, CHD, CKD patients. Because of excellent patient acceptance, polyethylene glycol has become a preferred choice of laxative for many practitioners. Cochrane review concluded that PEG 4000 in oral liquid was superior to lactulose for improving stool frequency, stool consistency and abdominal pain. PEG 4000 is often considered more effective at relieving constipation compared to lactulose. It works by drawing water into the colon, softening the stool, and promoting bowel movements. We would like you to consider promoting PEG 4000 sugar-free laxative as part of your company's product lineup. It is effective, safe, convenient, and has a wide market potential. With positive customer feedback from around the world, PEG 4000 makes significant difference in the lives of patients suffering from constipation.